Might ask me to describe a perfect place to go when I die.